how to turn on end-to-end encryption in Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. End-to-end encryption feature adds an extra layer of security to the messages with a unique key. When you send a message, your device will automatically lock the message and it can be unlocked only when the individual who knows the key enters the key. In order to turn on end-to-end encryption in Instagram, open the Instagram application on your device first. Swipe towards the left and you will be led to the direct message interface of Instagram. Tap on the Create a New Message option in the top right. You will see the option for end-to-end encryption lock. Toggle on the lock in order to enable end-to-end encryption, and you can see the end-to-end encryption has been enabled. Now select the individual whom you want to send an encrypted message. The individual whom you have encrypted will have a lock symbol below their name, and this is how you can enable end-to-end encryption in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.